Skip Bayless reacts to Floyd Mayweather defeating Conor McGregor. And I agree. I agree with Skip Bayless, man. It was a premature stoppage by Robert Byrd. But let's take a look at Skip comments. He said Conor is right. He was just wobbly from fatigue. He deserved one more round. Conor does have a little mouse under one eye. He should have got a 10 count. I agree with Skip, man. It was a premature stoppage, but whenever you fight in Vegas, Floyd is going to have the judges. He's going to have the ref. He's going to have everything in his favor. A fight of this magnitude, man, you got to let Conor McGregor go down fighting. You got to let him get stopped or get knocked out. You cannot come in there and sit up there and stop that fight, man. There's too much money on the line, too much pride, too big of a fight, too massive, man. And I thought Robert Byrd did a horrible job tonight stopping this fight. Like I said, I had Conor McGregor actually winning the fight. So I agree with Skip Bayless, man. Skip is outraged. I am too. But it was a hell of a fight, hell of a night. I enjoyed the fight. You guys let me know what y'all thought about Skip Bayless' comments. Drop me a comment in the comment section. Hit that like button and subscribe. I'm out.